Respect!
What's respect? Respect means treating others how you would like to be treated.
It means thinking about the feelings of others.
You should listen to the thoughts and feelings of everybody,
including every living creature in the world.
Yes, it's important to respect yourself, everybody else, and everything in the world,
including physical items, animals, and nature.
We have written an acrostic poem and a short dialogue about respect.
I hope you enjoy listening. Say your name, Lydia. I'm Lydia.
I'm Lydia. Last night I saw an interesting TV program.
You need to
Get close to the microphone. Okay, some difficulty problems here. Then you go, come on.
Last night I saw an interesting TV program. What was it about? It was about plastic pollution.
I saw it too, last night.
I didn't at Julia's party. What happened?
I saw it too, and I learned that it's important to including animals.
I didn't see it, but I think we shouldn't throw plastic in the sea. Why shouldn't we throw plastic in the sea? Because animals will die. Sometimes they eat the plastic because they think it's food or they get stuck in plastic containers.
We have to respect the whole world. Otherwise animals will die.
I saw another TV program about respect.
We could do a campaign.
Wow, I have a great idea. Let's do a poster. Let's put...
I have a better idea. Let's put posters up all around Tarragona.
Hey guys, you are all being disrespectful, cutting up what other people are saying. Have respect for everyone.
Yeah! We need to respect each other, everybody else, and our environment. And now, to make some
That's delightful reading about respect. We have to be respectful with each other, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much, boys.